Welcome to USA Green Card Approved, your trusted guide to U.S. immigration success. Looking to get a U.S. green card? Whether you're applying through family, work, as an international student, a religious worker, or as a victim of abuse under VAWA, we share clear information, real stories, and step-by-step help made for you. We simplify the process and equip you with information approval of your green card. Subscribe now. Your journey starts here.
Hi, your EB-2 NIW petition has been approved, and that's amazing. But know this, if you have certain red flags in your immigration history, that could affect your ability to get your green card. Welcome to my channel, a channel that provides you immigration information for your transformation. My name is Gertrude Onuoha. I am an immigration attorney and I service clients within and outside the United States. Your NIW petition under the EB-2 employment-based category has just been approved, and you are so excited and you're ecstatic and you are happy. Who wouldn't be? You've done so much work. Congratulations, 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 because hey, you're on your pathway to a US permanent resident. But guys, before you know, start popping that champagne or whatever you want to do to celebrate, pay attention to some red flags. There are things that would prevent you from getting to the green card finish line. Remember, an I-140 petition is just an approval on paper. It's just a notification to you that you are now approved to get a green card under this EB-2 NIW category. A green card has not been issued to you. No green card has been put in your hand. The I-140 in and of itself does not adjust your status. It does not change you from F1, H1, O1, whatever your status, EB, B2 visa, to a green card holder. What does the transformation or the change is when you complete the I-485 application, the adjustment of status application, and it is approved. That is when that change is made from whatever your status is, point A to point B. Until that happens, you don't have a green card. You don't, even though you have an approved I-140. Now, pay attention to three huge red flags that can prevent you from getting a green card. Guys, like I said, getting the I-140 is amazing, but that doesn't put the green card in your hand. The finish line is to have that green card hit your hand. Until you get that, you don't have it. You don't have it. And you must be cautious. Number one, if you have violated your status, and I'm really speaking in the context of international students, those who are in OPT, if you have violated the terms of your status, by that you have engaged in unauthorized work. If you have engaged in unauthorized work, and that could mean anything from overworking your CPT, overworking your OPT, doing some side hustles, anything that has to do with work without permission, that could be a problem. A huge problem, guys. A huge problem. So if you have engaged in unauthorized work, because you're going to have to fill out those paperwork, they're going to ask you a question. Have you violated the terms of your current status? You have to answer that question correctly, right? So you definitely want to talk to your attorney if there has been any kind of violation. Even doing door dashing, Ubering, lifting, and whatnot, the dog walking, side hustles, any kind of unauthorized work can land you in problems, and it may stop you from getting your green card. Now, there are waivers for these things, but I suggest that before you submit that application, talk to your attorney. Another big red flag is criminal issues. Criminal issues of any kind is a problem any day, anytime in the world of immigration. And that could be anywhere from DUI, drug possession, theft, fraud, domestic violence. We've seen international students fighting with husband and wife fighting and all that. Any kind of conviction for moral turpitude. Guys, anything criminal, please talk to your attorney before you submit the green card application. This is huge. Listen, I'm not telling you anything that's theoretical. I'm talking from experience. These are things that could stop you from getting your green card. Guys, don't say, I'm going to just lie on my application. Listen, if you've had any criminal issue and you are fingerprinted, it will pop up. It's gonna pop up. I'm telling you. I mean, we had a case where, we had submitted the application, everything was looking good, and this is not a green card application anyway. Before they issued the final benefits, they ran the profile of my client, and they found out that, oh, while the case was pending, you were convicted. Please, can we see the criminal record? Show us the court records. Show us everything about the case. Yes, they have a way of finding out these things. So don't try to be smart. Reach out to your attorneys. They know what to do. They know what kind of explanations to make on your behalf. They know the gravity of the offense. And there are waivers. There are waivers. There are waivers. So reach out to your attorney before you submit any application when you have a criminal issue. Another red flag would be unlawful presence. Unlawful presence. So you enter the United States, and now, even though you have an approved I-140, you are no longer in status. And it depends on how long you've been out of status, right? So anything 6 months and under is going to trigger a penalty of 3-year ban. And anything more than 180 days is going to trigger a 10-year ban. Now, again, there are waivers for these things. You have to talk to your attorney. Unlawful presence is huge. You must continue to maintain status even after your I-140 is approved. You must continue to go to school. You must not allow yourself to fall out of status, and you must continue to maintain status. Now, if you're an international student, you're done with your OPT and nothing is coming forth, but you have an approved I-140, there are options. Talk to your attorney. There are options for you to continue to maintain status. You want to also track your service record. You want to make sure that it's not terminated, because these are things that will prevent you from getting the green card. Another bonus tip I would give out there is, if you have any kind of deportation case pending. If you have a deportation case that's pending, you have an order of deportation that's pending, guys, you're not going anywhere with that green card until that issue is sorted out. It has to be sorted out. So you definitely want to quickly consult your attorney. They know how to get rid of these deportation cases so that you can move forward with your green card. Guys, these are some very serious red flags that can really impede your process of getting to the finish line. Yeah, you have an approved I-140. That is amazing. That's wonderful. But if you don't take care of these 4 things I've mentioned, they could really stand in your way of getting to the finish line. What is the finish line? The finish line is to have the green card in your hands. As long as you don't have that green card in your hands, you don't have it. And if you don't have it and you have any of these red flags, you have to take care of it before you submit the green card application. Reach out to your attorney as quick as possible and let them help you. Guys, we have been helping clients with things like this for a long time. Feel free to give us a call. And if you have any of these issues, you can always throw me a question. I'll try my best to answer your question. Nice having you today. God bless you and have a wonderful rest of your day. Thank you.
I hope you found valuable information today. At the Law Office of Gertrude Onuoha, we are committed to providing you with clear, useful information to help you on your immigration journey. But don't just take our word for it. Here's what some of our clients say.
It was a great experience working with the Law Office of Gertrude Onuoha. She supported me all through my journey of getting my green card and was available to answer my questions. I will surely recommend her.
I had the privilege of working with the law office of Gertrude Onuoha for my national interest waiver program, and I can't express enough gratitude for her exceptional services. Thanks to her expertise, dedication, and strategic guidance, my NIW was approved smoothly and efficiently. I highly recommend her.
I attended a Zoom conference hosted by attorney Gertrude Onuoha by chance. After hearing her detailed explanations and client testimonials, I consulted with her. Despite my uncommon research field, she and her team took the time to understand every detail. Thanks to their professionalism and thorough work, my EB-2 NIW application was successful. I highly recommend their services.